If you are using multiple monitors, then you're gonna love this tool. It is called NWG Displays. You manage your monitor just like Windows or any other desktop environments, and it generates the config for you. For installation, you can check out the package managers. It is also available in the AUR. Otherwise, you can also clone this repository and run the installation script. After the installation, you're gonna open the software just like any other. For example, in Rofi, I can search for NWG and choose the display settings. This is the user interface. I have three monitors. Two monitor is placed horizontally. Another one is a vertical monitor. You can zoom in if you want. Monitors can be positioned just by doing drag and drop. On the bottom, you have few options. You can deactive or active any monitor. Then you have the transform dropdown. It's basically for rotating and flipping the monitor. Like for DP2, I'm using 90 degrees to use it as a vertical monitor. Then you have position, where you want to position your monitor. So the top left is position X 0 and Y 0. You can also adjust the scaling. Then scale filter, I always see that as a disabled option. Then you have size, basically the resolution. You always want to put this as a horizontal resolution. Then you have modes, basically all the resolution and refresh rate that your monitor supports. Then DPMS, I don't know what it is. Then you can enable or disable 10-bit color support. Mirror dropdown for duplicating any monitors. Then you have this workspaces button. Basically, you can assign a specific workspace to a specific monitor if you want. I have 3 workspaces assigned to 3 different monitors. Once you are satisfied with everything, you're gonna click on apply. I'm not gonna do it because it might mess up with my recording. When you click on apply, it creates 2 files that you can add to your Hyprland or Sway config. So I will open up my Hyprland config. You need to add this 2 line of code in the hyprland.conf file. Basically, it is linking 2 other files, monitors.conf and workspaces.conf. Both of them are under .config/hyperdirectory. And if I open up one of the files, this is the configuration which is generated by the NWG display software, and you don't have to edit it manually. And same for the workspaces.conf file. So you can see it is very easy to manage your monitors with NWG displays. So if the video has been helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to use cool live wallpapers in Hyprland, then check out this video.